Skylock. Sure, it looks like a typical U-lock. Yes, you use it to lock up your bike, and yes, it's as strong as any lock on the market, but Skylock is a lot more. You know what keyless entry is, right? Like when someone unlocks their car just by walking up to it? Well, Skylock is keyless entry for your bike. It uses always-on Bluetooth LE to connect to your phone so you can lock and unlock your bike with the tap of a button. And thanks to Skylock's solar panel, its battery never runs out. Ordinarily, I wouldn't leave my bike unattended for even an hour, but Skylock isn't ordinary. It has a built-in anti-theft feature. I just log Skylock into my local Wi-Fi network, and it sends me an alert if anything or anyone disturbs my bike. Skylock uses its built-in accelerometer to monitor all movement when you're not around. And you can adjust the sensitivity to make sure there's an actual threat. You don't even need to tap a button to unlock Skylock. You can set it to use your proximity to unlock. Or if you don't have your phone, just enter a code using the capacitive touchpad. Let's talk safety. Skylock knows when you've been in an accident, and will check to make sure you're okay. If you're not okay, it'll alert the authorities. Help is on the way. Your bike can be out getting use even when you're not riding it, because Skylock makes bike sharing super easy. You can give anyone with a smartphone access to your Skylock, instantly, securely.
See you later, boo-boo.
Bikes are stolen, like a lot. 2 every minute, over 1 million every year, and that's just what's reported. That's why we're so excited to bring you Linka, the world's first auto-unlocking smart bike lock. Linka can do a lot of cool things, but at its core, it's a powerful lock that's hard-mounted to your frame, so you're always ready. When you're ready to lock up, just tap the button, and a hardened steel ring slides into place, making it impossible to ride away. So now that your bike's locked, if someone tries picking it up, Linka has a built-in accelerometer that automatically triggers a siren, stopping the thief in their tracks, while simultaneously sending a tamper alert directly to your phone so you know what's up. Now, what makes Linka a smart lock is its ability to recognize who you are and automatically unlock as you approach. Of course, you can always unlock it with your smartphone, or for phoneless access, you can press your 4-digit passcode. So if you want to lock your bike to something, add on a Linka chain and just lock up to an existing bike rack. If you already have a chain or a U-lock, then you're all set. Inside Linka is a really powerful battery. You can get up to 1 whole year before your next charge. And the Linka app notifies you when your battery's low, so you never really have to think about it. So about the app, not only does it auto-unlock Linka, send tamper alerts, and track battery usage, we're really excited to introduce our theft indicator map. The app tracks reported stolen bikes in your area and warns you of dangerous locations. We'll even recommend a safer place to park. So we packed Linka with a bunch of awesome features. But equally as important to us was creating a design and form factor that you'd be excited to put on your bike.
This is John. Like 63% of all bicycle users, John had his bicycle stolen, and it keeps happening.
Not again!
Bicycle locks today are really old-fashioned. They're heavy, poorly designed, and have terrible value for money. Imagine John could take out his smartphone and locate his bicycle while the thief is on the run. We have invented the first GPS-tracked, siren-alarmed, sensor-enabled bicycle lock. Best of all, there's no key. It is fully remote-controlled with your smartphone. So, how does it work? With Lock8, John can secure his bicycle easily with a swipe of his finger on the app. Or, he can simply walk away to activate the alarm with or without the cable. Now, John's bike is safe. When a thief tries to tamper with the lock, it will trigger a painfully loud alarm since the cable is wired. And you immediately receive a push notification on your mobile phone, which allows you to react quickly. If he attempts to hammer it off, or if he uses a saw, the vibration sensor will also trigger the alarm. Freezing Lock8 or attempting to melt it will be useless since the device also has a thermometer, which will trigger the alarm in case of an abrupt change in temperature. With the community alarm feature, you can add other people so that they also receive the push notification in case you're away. You can locate, share, borrow, and lend bikes. With Lock8, you can send an electronic key to your friends on Facebook and allow them to use your bike anywhere, anytime.